Here's what you need to know about what is ARP spoofing. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. ARP spoofing, also called ARP poisoning, is an attack where an attacker sends fake ARP replies to associate their MAC address with a legitimate IP address on the network. This redirects traffic intended for the legitimate host through the attacker, enabling man-in-the-middle attacks, session hijacking, and traffic interception. Key concept: poisoning the ARP cache. Devices store ARP mappings in a local cache. The attacker sends unsolicited ARP replies, gratuitous ARP, telling devices that the attacker's MAC corresponds to the gateway IP. Victims update their cache and start sending traffic to the attacker. Key concept: traffic redirection. Once the ARP cache is poisoned, all traffic from the victim destined for the gateway flows to the attacker. The attacker forwards it to the real gateway, staying invisible, while reading or modifying the traffic in transit. Key concept: dynamic ARP inspection, DAI. DAI is the primary defense against ARP spoofing on managed switches. It validates ARP packets against a DHCP snooping binding table. Only ARP replies matching a known IP to MAC mapping from DHCP are allowed through. Key concept: detection signs. Signs of ARP spoofing include duplicate IP addresses in the ARP table, unexpected MAC address changes for the gateway, and network slowdowns. Tools like Wireshark or XARP can detect ARP cache poisoning in real time. Let's look at the full breakdown. Normal ARP, PC asks. Who has 192.168.1.1? Gateway replies, I do, Mac, AABB. PC caches gateway MAC correctly. ARP spoofing, attacker sends, 192.168.1.1 is at CCDD. PC updates cache with attacker MAC, all gateway traffic sent to attacker. Here's a real-world example. An attacker on a corporate LAN runs an ARP spoofing tool. They send gratuitous ARP replies to all workstations saying the gateway IP, 192.168.1.1, belongs to their MAC address. Every workstation updates its ARP cache. Traffic from all 50 workstations now flows through the attacker's laptop before reaching the real gateway. The attacker can now intercept login credentials, emails, and internal data in real time. Quick recap before you go. 1. ARP spoofing sends fake ARP replies to poison victims' ARP caches. 2. Redirects traffic through the attacker, enabling mitigation, interception, hijacking. 3. Dynamic ARP Inspection, DAI, validates ARP packets against the DHCP binding table. 4. Detection. Look for duplicate IPs or unexpected MAC changes in ARP tables. 5. ARP has no built-in authentication, making it inherently vulnerable to spoofing. That's what is ARP spoofing, covered. Exam tip: ARP spoofing works because ARP has no authentication. Devices accept any ARP reply. DAI, Dynamic ARP Inspection, is the mitigation. It requires a valid DHCP snooping entry before trusting an ARP reply. Enable DHCP snooping first, then DAI on all access ports. Next up, what is DNS poisoning? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.